Okay, so now I have made this much, and I made mine probably a little longer than you might make yours. And I'm putting my hand through, and for me, I want it to come over my wrist. I want more. And so we need to start working on the thumb gusset. So what that means is we need a little bit wider space here. So we're going to knit a few and add a stitch. Just what it does is it just makes this part here just slightly wider, so it's not just a straight tube when you put it on. But by the way, this is how you could make socks. You can knit them from the toe up to the top, or you can start here and you could actually make socks going out. So the gusset, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a stitch. So we're going to knit a few and add, we are adding about an inch. So we know that 3 stitches equals an inch. So we're going to knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we get to the end here, that's 7. Then we're going to make one. So you twist it around your thumb and you just kind of make a little loop. Okay, that's make one. And it stays on. It's just twisted on. That's all that is. You'll knit it when you come back around for the next. And we're going to do that on each one of these because we want to add about an inch for the gusset. The gusset being where the thumb comes in. So you're just knitting, I'm just knitting each of these stitches, and when I come to the end of a row or end of this, then I'm going to make one. So again, you twist it around and you twist it around your thumb and then slide it on. You made another. There's different ways of making stitches, but this is an easy way that works. So we have one more, and they just have to be pretty equally spaced. And remember, we have 20 stitches on here. So now when we're done, we should have 23. So we'll count. Okay. And knitting with size 10 needles works pretty well as long as I keep my stitches pretty loose. Okay, I'm going to make one more. Go around the thumb and it twists. So see, it's twisted like that. And slide it on. So what it says now is knitting the thumb gusset. Round 1, knit 2, make 1. So we're just expanding this part right here. We have the wrist. We're just making it so it expands in here, okay? And I'll come back here in a few minutes.